Hey there everyone, and welcome to a new video in the Streamlit tutorial series on the Future Programmer YouTube channel. In this lesson, we're going to talk about installing the Streamlit package and setting up a development environment for creating Streamlit applications. So without further ado, let's begin. To start off, let's install Streamlit. Since Streamlit is a Python package, we'll need the following: Python and pip, the Python package manager, installed on our machine before we can install Streamlit. If you don't yet have the Python standard installation installed on your computer, I'll put a video on the upper right-hand corner of your screen that will show you how to install both at the same time. After we have Python and pip installed, we can now get Streamlit. To install this package onto our machine, run the following command in the terminal. So pip install Streamlit. Since I'm on the Windows operating system, I'm going to open up command prompt, and I will be pasting in pip install Streamlit. And since I already have Streamlit installed on my computer, I will see requirement already satisfied for all of the dependencies of Streamlit. You should see progress bars showing the installation progress of Streamlit. On the other hand, if you see an error that says pip is not a recognized command on your computer, then you'd want to watch another video on the upper right-hand corner of your screen to fix that issue. If you want to double-check the installation of Streamlit, you can run the Streamlit command in your terminal. So I'll be copying this command and pasting it in to my terminal. And since I have successfully installed Streamlit, I can see all of this output shown about Streamlit. A cool command that comes with the Streamlit installation is the Streamlit Hello command, which will allow us to open the Streamlit Hello app in a web browser that shows a few demos for a few cool functionalities of Streamlit. So I'm going to copy Streamlit Hello, this command right here, and pasting it in to my command prompt. Give it a few seconds and we'll see this Welcome to Streamlit application opened in a web browser. On the sidebar to the left, you'll see animation, plotting, mapping, and data frame demos, which you can click on and explore. I encourage you to take a look and play around with all of these widgets and explore some of the cool things that Streamlit can do. Next, let's talk about the development environment for creating Streamlit applications. Feel free to use your favorite code editor or IDE to write your Streamlit Python programs. All you need is a software that you can edit Python files with and the ability to easily access your computer's terminal. This is important because running Streamlit applications require the use of your computer's terminal since we need to access Streamlit's command line interface. I personally prefer to use the code editor Sublime Text when writing Streamlit programs. If you choose to use Sublime Text as well, I recommend installing the Sublime Streamlit package that I made, which provides completion, build system, and documentation for Streamlit within Sublime Text. To learn more about this package, I'll put a video up on the upper right-hand corner once again that will show you the installation and usage of this package. To summarize, now that you have Streamlit installed and a development environment set up for creating Streamlit applications, you're ready to get started creating all sorts of cool projects using Streamlit. I'm super excited for the rest of this tutorial series, and I hope you are as well. If this video was helpful to you, please consider subscribing to the Future Programmer YouTube channel down below, and I hope to see you in more programming tutorials in the future. In the meanwhile, thank you for watching this video, and happy programming!